Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 10 store error code. Game is currently not available in your account. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all in the search box type as store and open up Microsoft Store. After that, click on it and sign out from your account. After that, once again sign in your account. After that, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try our next method. The next method is that going to your settings of your Windows, click on update and security, go to your troubleshoot, click on additional troubleshooter. After that, click on a Windows Store app, run the troubleshoot. Click and close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click run as administrator. After that, type a WSRESET, WS reset. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a PowerShell, open up PowerShell, right click run as administrator, and after that copy the first command. It's available into the video description. Copy it and paste it and press enter. After that, type exit and exit the PowerShell. After that, restart your computer. After restarting your computer, once again type a PowerShell, open a PowerShell, right click run as administrator, copy the second command. It's available into the video description and paste it and press enter. After that, type exit and exit the PowerShell and restart your computer, and I am sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box, go to your settings of your Windows, go to your app section and type a store. Go to your Microsoft Store, click on advanced options, and after that, first of all click on repair. Click on reset. After that, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a last method. The last method is that open any browser, any search engine and type a Windows 10 download. So after I click on a first link is Windows 10 disk image, Microsoft.com. Click on download now. Download it. After downloading that, open it. Click on accept button. Select upgrade this PC now and click on the next button. When you click on the next button, the process will be started and it's required of a few hours to complete the process. After completing that, your computer automatically restart and your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.